My name is Ronald Simmons, and I'm the founder of Master Blend Family Farms. A brief overview of Master Blend Family Farms is our operation consists of pigs being born, raised, and topped out on our facility. Master Blend General Store is a retail space on our farm where customers can buy our premium quality cuts, enjoy a great atmosphere, and support local businesses. America is becoming more aware and concerned with what they're consuming and also what they're feeding their kids. So we started to get the operation up and going and quickly decided to form a reputation to always be reliable, dependable, and consistent when it came to producing certified all-natural pork products. Cooperative Extension has helped Master Blend Family Farms be successful by exposing us to the obstacles and challenges that farmers may face in establishing a lucrative company. Being a farmer, you have to have a plan, and even if you have a plan, it doesn't necessarily mean that everything will work that way. So in that regard, you want to have plan A, plan B, plan C, and so forth.
Because of the recognition we've received from Small Farms Week, with A&T, we've been able to grow by leaps and bounds. There was a time we didn't think it was possible, and now we're able to see that anything is possible when you surround yourself with the right individuals.